Welcome to the lesson that will get you started with using Photoshop. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the bottom part of your screen and type in Photoshop. Open the version that you happen to have on your computer. With Photoshop open, go ahead and get an image. You need something in mind about what you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and change the eye color. So I'm going to go to a site that I love using because the images are copyright friendly. I'm going to go to Pixabay. I'm going to type in blue eyes because blue eyes are usually the easiest to change in Photoshop. I'll go ahead and choose this beautiful cat. I will go ahead and right click and choose Save Image As and get it to a folder on your desktop. I will go ahead and put it in Images in my Computer Design folder, and I will call it Cat. I will call it Cat 1 because I need a before and after photo. With that image saved, I'm going to go back to Photoshop. I will choose File, Open, go to that folder. Now if you're my 8th grader working on the portfolio unit, you need to square your image. Anybody else can just get started working. I want to talk about a few things in Photoshop. Here are your tools. You need layers. If the layers window is not showing, you go to Window, make sure Layers is selected. These are really important windows that you need in Photoshop. I'm going to drag my layers window over so you can see what I'm doing. There's a little drop down. You're going to choose that and then choose New Layer. You can label it if you want. I'll call it Color. I'll go ahead and put this window back, but you need to be on the New Layer in order to do this next activity. I'm going to go over to the Tools window and click on that swatch and choose a color. Maybe I'll choose this color green. I will then go to the paintbrush. If the paintbrush is not showing, you need to click down to see the tools. Now you can see that is very big, so I'm going to go to the top and I'm going to make the size a little smaller for that brush. Now if you want, you can use the zoom tool to zoom in. So I might make the brush a little smaller, and on that layer I will start painting it. And if you go outside of the eye, that's okay like that. I'll show you how to fix that. I'll do the other eye. Now with the eyes painted, you're going to go over to the Layers window, and where it says Normal, you're going to choose Color. Now see where I went over on the hair of the cat? I'm going to go to the Eraser tool, and now that's way too big, so I'll change the eraser and I'll come in and clean that up. I'm going to choose View, and I'm going to choose Zoom Out or Actual Pixels. If you want to make the green a little lighter, you would go to that layer and choose the opacity and scale it down a little. If you're happy with your image, you can choose File, Save As. Where it says Format, it's really important that you choose JPEG. And I'm going to change it from Cat 1 to Cat 2. You now have a before and after image. Choose OK, and you're now done. This concludes the session on how to change the eye color of a cat in this case. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.